Okay, so out here searching for driftwood. Got some new high tides coming. Been here before. It's my old buddy there, since Joe. From he lives in Winnipeg, but him and his son are out here giving me a hand. Wave hi, Ty.
Hey.
Give me a hand. Look for some cottonwood bark. We got like 10 pieces already. So we got the bark ninja team out here hunting today. It's good when I have people come out here to do this, because if I trip and hurt myself or hit my head or something, you know, I'll have help. You got to walk along little walks like this. Beaver marks, got some beaver marks there. But yeah, there's I got like 10 nice pieces of bark. I'll show you when I This is along the Fraser River, so there's no sand in this stuff, you know, like when I go to the ocean. Normally when I go, excuse me, lots of sand in that wood, but this stuff's pretty damn clean. Looks a little bit muddy because the Fraser River is pretty. Look at it all. Tyler found a mouse. Anyways, just thought I'd show you guys what I've been up to. Cedar, 100% cedar, tell by the bark. Little root bottoms. This place is loaded. It's friggin' loaded. See, here's a little some bark that we found. Joe found this pile. It's cottonwood bark, guys. You know what I mean? I'll turn that into carvings. Maybe like 80 bucks worth of carvings right there. Ty, can you grab this little pile when you come? So I'm filming with my phone a bit. Careful. Right there, you just pass it.
Oh.
Thanks. Okay, so I better just keep looking before I break my phone.
Oh, your little hidden spot.
Oh, this is the hidden treasure place.
Yeah.
Okay, so look at this. Is all the score for cottonwood bark. Just get little shit like this, carve whatever you want in it. Sell it for 20-30 bucks. You guys, this stuff carves like butter, so like I said before, free wood's the best wood. Look at this massive piece. You know what I mean? Carve something wicked in there. So like what do you think here? Is Joe 25 pieces? This at least a couple $100 worth of bark, guys. Right here. Want to say hi, Joe?
Hey.
This is Joe from Winnipeg. I grew up with him in here in Lander in kindergarten. We were best friends. And this is son Tyler. What's up, Ty?
Hey.
How do you like BC compared to Winnipeg?
Fuck. Way better.
Atta boy. Atta boy. Okay.
Cool little piece.
Like a moon, Ty.
What?
It's like a moon.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cottonwood bark right there too. That's fir.
This is bark.
That's cottonwood bark right there. As soon as we get here, look what we find, guys. Cottonwood bark. Yeah, that's bark too, Joe. I think we should just like
Make a little stack.
yeah. Holy wow. We're parked right there, and we're already finding the bark right here. Look where I parked here. Within 2 minutes, we already found these. Well, that one's kind of. But I'll carve it. It's gonna be a good haul. Yeah, got another one there, Ty. Check her over. Good shot. Mark your places, people. Mark your places. Okay. Actually, hold on, Joe. I got a little bag thing I'm gonna bring. We got another piece right here. Nope. Holy Jesus. Okay, I got my little bag thing. This is like a firewood bag. Yeah, because I got to start carving those little Santa spirits. So, for Christmas, Pete's Christmas sale, second annual. So I need to get lots of bark. So it's going to be a gold mine in here today. So like I said, people, free wood is the best wood, because if you get the wood for free, then you don't have to add the wood of the price to your sales, so your sales don't look like they're too high and too expensive for the piece. You know what I mean? How's it going, Joe? Right on. Cottonwood bark. It's a little weird piece. I don't know, too weird. Cottonwood bark in here. Yeah. Oh, Douglas fir bark. Holy, this place is just friggin' loaded with shit. So you guys, you know, if you got like a creek or a river or something, or like a little forest, just go look for. Yeah, it's too skinny, baby Joe. What do you think? Lots of Douglas fir bark. Holy shit. Look for cool little pieces of wood too, Joe, you know, like twisty and crap.
Yeah.
If you want. These things are cool to take home, old log boom pieces. You know, you take it home, you stand it up, you tie a rope around it, carve some little seagulls, put on the seagulls on it. What do you think about that, Joe?
This thing's pretty cool.
I already got one in my.
Pretty neat.
I already got one in my front yard.
Bamboo?
Ty's found some bamboo from China. Yeah.
Weird little pieces like this.
Yeah, but like really
Big.
Let's see. That's kind of neat. But you know, we only got.
Too small.
Yeah, it's a little bit too skinny. This place is just freaking packed.
Big pieces.
Cedar. Cedar. Oh. See?
Wood.
Oh, that's bark.
Is it?
Yeah. See, you kind of see it's stringy on the back.
Yeah.
That's cottonwood bark. Okay, I'm gonna stop filming here for a bit.
Wood bark right here.
Got some
Wood's the best wood.
Yeah, that's it, Joe. Got some cottonwood bark here too. Free wood's the best wood. Cottonwood bark. There's tons of it. You got a little burl hill, people. Douglas fir burl. Anyways, I hope everybody's together with their families, enjoying Thanksgiving. Let's see here. Big old cruiser, going slow. Beautiful day out here. Got like 20 pieces of 20 or 30 pieces of bark. Orange stick. Yeah, we'll just take whatever now, Joe. Come on. Lots of neat pieces of wood out here though, that's for sure. Joe's son, Tyler, already went along the road. Hold on a second here. Went along the road and carried a nice stick we found, and with a hole in the top. And people like unique pieces, right? So, and a bag of cottonwood bark that we got. So I'm hands-free now. Cottonwood bark. It's a little thin piece, but it would make for a good spirit Santa. There comes Ty back. Got everything unloaded, and let's load up again. Oh, this is a nice piece here for one of my hanging what are those wind chime things. I think I'll take it. Perfect. Creepy hell looking, looks like a spider. It's a twisty piece of wood. Yeah, this one's cool. Hold on, let me get rid of the seaweed. Cool root, cool root. Seems like most of the bark is, like I said in my other videos, guys, it's drier, it's lighter stuff, so the waves always push it farther back from the water. Got some cedar bark, cedar bark. Piece of Douglas fir bark right there. Now, wicked cottonwood bark.
Yeah.
Got a mattress. Mattress. Somebody need a place to stay. Free rent. Free rent mattress. I don't even want to walk on that thing. Oh well, I guess I'm gonna walk across it. We're gonna go get some fish and chips soon here. Halibut or cod. Some nice sand. Douglas fir bark, Douglas fir bark. The thicker, bigger pieces like that are the Douglas fir, right?
Yours kind of ratty, eh?
That's a little too ratty, Joe. Oh, here's a nice piece right here. Two nice pieces. One. Two. Usually when you find one piece, you'll find a few more around it too. Lots of wood in here too for walk. What kind of little nut is this thing? Walnut. You can find nice walking stick wood out here too. Tons of it. What's this down here? Oh, just a piece of real young cottonwood bark. Okay. That's good, Ty. Yeah. Okay, I gotta put my phone away. Hope everybody's enjoying the day. Like, look at this big old beam. You know what I mean? Douglas fir. It's bone dry. God, I'm so tempted to grab this. I'm only parked where that guy's walking there, so I could easily put that on my shoulder and carry it out of here. carve some nice Christmas trees out of that sucker or something. Anyways, such a nice piece of wood. It's so clean, light. Who knows, it might even be cedar. I'm gonna think about it for a minute. Still got my little spooky walking stick, goddamn wind chime thing. Good story, Joe.
Yeah.
I got this beam here to carve some Christmas trees. I'll make 3 trees out of this beam. Sell for 50 bucks each. This one, carve some wood spirits on it or something. Who knows? Who cares? Look at all the cottonwood we got. Like 40 pieces of bark. Okay, thanks, man. Yeah. Oh. Another little solid piece. Man, just scoring. But anyways, we're taking off now to go get some fish and chips. But I just want to show you guys this. This tree here is cottonwood bark. Look at it. Just dead, floated down the river. When you get to the end here, the bark does get a little bit thicker, but it's just a little bit too thin for me to carve. You know, you can tell by the size of my shoes. But so my dream, see, like that would be a carvable piece right here. Like you can look like by my finger. But my dream, that's just a piece of wood. Let's see the other side. Just a piece of wood, Joe. But so my dream is to come down beachcombing one day and finding a cottonwood tree that's lying on the beach, and I can come down here and peel the wood, peel the bark off it. It's gonna happen sooner or later. The more you guys get out there and adventure and look for things and get out of the house, the more that you're gonna find. You know, I think the cottonwood bark tree, with the bark grows really thick. There's just a little piece, but the thicker it grows, it's at high elevation on a mountainside, and it's by the water. When it's by the water, it can grow thicker, right? It's got more, you know, well, the water will make it thicker. So anyways, we gotta get out of here. Get some fish and chips.